Making amazing woodworking projects offers a multitude of benefits that extend beyond simply creating beautiful items. Engaging in woodworking not only allows individuals to express their creativity and craftsmanship, but also provides numerous physical, mental, and emotional advantages. The act of transforming raw materials into functional or decorative pieces fosters a deep sense of satisfaction and accomplishment, enriching the lives of those who undertake this craft. One of the most significant benefits of woodworking is the opportunity for creative expression. Each project presents a blank canvas, allowing artisans to explore their ideas and bring them to life. This creative freedom can be incredibly fulfilling, as it encourages individuals to push boundaries and experiment with different designs and techniques. Whether crafting intricate carvings or simple yet elegant pieces, the process of designing and building fosters originality and personal expression. This sense of creativity can be a powerful outlet, providing a way to communicate ideas and emotions through tangible creations. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of amazing woodworking project ideas you need to have a look at. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In addition to fostering creativity, woodworking also enhances problem-solving skills. Each project presents unique challenges, whether it's understanding the properties of different types of wood, figuring out how to execute a particular joint, or addressing design flaws. Navigating these challenges requires critical thinking and adaptability, as artisans must find solutions to ensure the success of their projects. This continual process of learning and overcoming obstacles builds resilience and confidence, skills that are transferable to other areas of life. The physical benefits of woodworking cannot be overlooked. Engaging in this craft involves a variety of movements and physical tasks, from lifting and carrying materials to sawing, drilling, and sanding. These activities promote physical fitness and coordination, as they require strength, balance, and fine motor skills. Regular involvement in woodworking can help improve overall physical health, enhancing muscle tone and endurance. Additionally, the act of working with one's hands can be a fulfilling form of exercise, providing a sense of accomplishment with each completed task. Furthermore, woodworking can serve as a form of stress relief. In today's fast-paced, technology-driven world, many individuals find themselves overwhelmed by daily pressures. Woodworking offers a welcome escape, allowing people to focus on the task at hand and immerse themselves in the creative process. The rhythmic motions of cutting, sanding, and shaping wood can be meditative, promoting mindfulness and relaxation. This immersion in a hands-on activity can help reduce anxiety and improve overall mental well-being, providing a necessary break from the demands of modern life. The emotional rewards of creating amazing woodworking projects are profound. The sense of pride that comes from completing a project is often unparalleled. Each finished piece represents not just a product, but a culmination of effort, skill, and creativity. This sense of accomplishment can boost self-esteem and foster a positive self-image. For many, woodworking becomes a source of joy and fulfillment, contributing to a greater sense of purpose in life. The ability to create something beautiful and functional provides a unique satisfaction that can enhance overall happiness. Woodworking also fosters a sense of connection to tradition and craftsmanship. Engaging in this craft allows individuals to participate in a long-standing tradition that spans cultures and generations. Many woodworking techniques have been passed down through history, and by learning and practicing these skills, artisans become part of that legacy. This connection to the past can be deeply meaningful, as it fosters a sense of belonging and continuity. Additionally, The appreciation of craftsmanship can lead to a greater respect for the artistry involved in creating handmade items, promoting a culture that values quality over mass production. Moreover, woodworking can be a communal activity, creating opportunities for social interaction and collaboration. Whether joining a local woodworking club, participating in workshops, or engaging with online communities, woodworkers can connect with others who share their passion. These interactions can lead to valuable friendships, mentorships, and collaborations, enhancing the overall experience of woodworking. Sharing knowledge, techniques, and inspiration fosters a supportive environment that encourages growth and creativity. This sense of community can be particularly beneficial for individuals who may feel isolated in their craft, providing a network of support and encouragement. The versatility of woodworking projects allows for exploration and experimentation, which can be incredibly rewarding. From small crafts to large-scale builds, the possibilities are virtually endless. This diversity not only keeps the craft interesting, but also enables artisans to discover their strengths and preferences. Trying out different styles, techniques, and materials can lead to unexpected discoveries and innovations. As woodworkers push their creative boundaries, they may find new passions and interests that enhance their overall engagement with the craft. Additionally, woodworking can serve as a meaningful way to give back to the community. Many woodworkers find fulfillment in creating items that serve a purpose beyond personal enjoyment. Whether crafting toys for children, building furniture for community centers, or donating handcrafted items to charitable organizations, the impact of woodworking can extend far beyond the workshop. This sense of contribution can enhance the emotional rewards of the craft, as artisans witness the positive effects of their work on others. Engaging in community projects can also foster connections and create a sense of belonging, reinforcing the social benefits of woodworking. The act of making amazing woodworking projects can also lead to financial opportunities. For those looking to turn their passion into a business, woodworking offers the potential for profit. The growing demand for handmade, unique items provides a market for artisans to sell their creations. By establishing a brand and marketing their products effectively, woodworkers can generate income while doing what they love. This entrepreneurial aspect of woodworking can be incredibly empowering, allowing individuals to take control of their financial futures while pursuing their passions. Moreover, the skills developed through woodworking can open doors to various career opportunities. Many woodworkers find that their skills are transferable to other fields, such as construction, design, or teaching. The ability to create, innovate, and problem-solve are highly valued in many industries, and the experience gained through woodworking can be a significant asset. This versatility allows individuals to explore different career paths, whether they choose to remain in woodworking or branch out into related fields. As individuals engage in woodworking, they also develop a deeper appreciation for the materials they work with. Understanding the properties of different types of wood, including their characteristics, strengths, and weaknesses, can enhance the overall quality of projects. This knowledge fosters a greater respect for the natural world and encourages sustainable practices. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked amazing woodworking project ideas you need to have a look at. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.